how to log in to Bank of America online banking account. Now in order to do that, just simply open any of your browser and after that search for Bank of America in there. Then this first link of bankofamerica.com will appear, and under that, if you look closely, you will see the option of login to online banking. Select login to online banking, and after selecting that, you will be in this official website of Bank of America's login page. Now in order to log in to your online banking account, you need to enter your user ID at the very top, and you can also save the user ID for later in your browser, and after that you can enter your password in the second row. Just simply enter your user ID and password correctly, then hit the login button, and if your credentials are correct, you will successfully be logged in to Bank of America's online banking account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.